BDE, nigga. Yeah, you better pay attention in these motherfucking streets. You look the wrong way, you might never can't open up your eyes no more. Your heart may sink in the ship, nigga. Hold up, you probably even need to swim in the ocean, dip real quick, hit the woods, get to some shores. Make sure you hop up in the neighborhood, pull off in the Porsche, nigga. Do what you gonna do, nigga. If you ain't got no tool, nigga, you better goddamn pap a nigga out, papoose, nigga. Give him a bruise, nigga, or probably cop a damn oops, nigga. But listen, don't slip up in the game. You ain't got no chance except if you gamble the right way, nigga. You better not crap out, take a foreign trip today, nigga. Brain to get out, nigga. We smoke gas, nigga, love to blow clouds. We don't give no fuck, cop it by the ounce, nigga, sell it by the pound, nigga, bring it back, break it down, nigga, sack it up, bag it up, nigga, at the trap house. That's real shit, nigga. Yeah, BDE, nigga. That is the entertainment. Plus we'll hit back the crib. Got more artillery in the system. I know my fans feeling this. I'ma miss them when I die, nigga. But hold up, before I die, nigga, even before I retire, nigga, this mine, nigga. I keep my own rhymes and lines, nigga, and I ain't lying, nigga. But I iron you with that iron, nigga. Yeah, might bust you in your eye, nigga. Make you rewind, nigga. If you play this track, I guarantee you get rich like that. Get a fit like that, get a hit like that. You probably go and hit a lick, bring a brick right back. And if that shit work, dog, salute me, I holler back. I probably even put you on the next feature on the next album. Scout them, nigga. If anybody talk shit, nigga, swing on them, nigga. Who gives a fuck about them? Yeah, that's real talk, nigga. Hold up, though, but when you walk and you see these bad bitches in tight skinny jeans and whatever, they looking like they wanna be your motherfucking mistress. Dismiss them, nigga, put them on suspension, nigga. Listen, they ain't nothing but really gold diggers and they don't want nothing but your change. They'll even take your pennies, man. So guess what? You gotta put one in their kidney, man. And they ain't kidding, man. Listen, you better go and get your paper while you can, nigga. Listen, put them in the land, nigga. If a nigga run up, you soak him in quicksand, nigga. Yes, this ain't Jackie Chan, nigga. I can who I am, though. Won't get no fuck, we coming in, going ham, though. Chop you up like Rambo, crush over like Rondo. Nigga, I ain't SpongeBob, but guess what? I pull out that Glock, leave a nigga dead. Yeah, nigga, we don't get no fuck, though. Put you in the truck, ho. Yeah, take you off just like a truckload, nigga.